Hi Aquarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates with you guys and leave what doesn't. Energies are fluid. This is not a gender specific or a time specific reading. Okay. The Emperor wanted to come out. I feel that a lot of you are wanting to take back the authority of your life, and you will be successful in doing so. Financial gains are on the horizon for you. You've got the Knight of Wands. There is this childlike energy around you, and if not now, then you will be surrounded by this energy. Either you guys are grandparents, parents with young children, or you guys are feeling nice and bubbly now, which is amazing, Aquarius, because for the longest time you've been feeling very drained and caught up in life's monotony. Wear orange and red because they will bring out the joyful, youthful nature of yours. The Ten of Cups, probably that's why your soul knows there's a great ending waiting for you when it comes to marriages, love, commitment, loyalty, life in general, Aquarius. You know that there is something great awaiting you. Your soul has already seen that, and that is why you guys are feeling happy from within. The Ten of Pentacles, both are very beautiful cards. Number 10 is very prominent in your reading. Either it is the 10th month, the 10th week, the 10th day, but something to do with 10. Number 4 is also very prominent in your reading, guys. You've got the Chariot card, the Six of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. And the card at the bottom of the deck is the Page of Wands. I see some good news coming your way. Somebody wants to communicate. Pages always bring in some beautiful communication. It could be from somebody who wants to have another go with you, a second chance in a relationship, friendship, partnership. But I also see that you guys have moved on from something that drained your energies, that made you feel as if you weren't good enough in your life. And probably some of you went through a divorce. I'm so sorry for that. But whatever it is, this walking away is leading you to wish fulfillment and peace and harmony and bliss in your life. Number 6, 8, and 7 are important. Somebody wants to come back into your life. There could be 2 or more people. Wow. Right now, what you require is immense belief that whatever you've been working on, whatever faith that you've had, it's going to help you deal with your situation. You've got the Justice. A lot of major arcana energies over here, strong energies of things coming back to normal and better than what they were. Also, justice being served for you. Whatever was unfair in your life, whatever you felt could have been different, but people were biased or people didn't acknowledge your effort. Aquarius, all that is going to be going away from your life, and it's going to be giving way to a more fulfilled life. You've got the Five of Swords. You're coming out of energies where people just took and never gave you anything. You're attracting energies where people are going to be giving you love, commitment, loyalty, honesty in return of your honesty and love and commitment. The Two of Wands, the wait is finally over. You know, this was a turning point in your life. The year 2022 is going to be a turning point. Every month you will feel grateful more and more grateful for your situations, for your life, and it's going to be a beautiful, successful roller coaster where the lows aren't that low, but the highs are very high. Okay, you've got the Strength card again. You could be attracting a Leo person. A Leo person could be important for you. You could have Leo in your chart, but number 8, 16 are very important. 11 is very important. Ooh, new love, Gemini energies. New love, new commitment, loyalty with the right partner. Some of you could be getting married also. You know, sometimes it so happens that you were with somebody who was your friend and you never realized that they liked you. And then suddenly they come back after a few years and you guys click beautifully, you know, and you guys get married. And sensing those kind of energies, wow, the Queen of Wands. Amazing. You started with the Emperor and now you've got the Queen of Wands. A soulmate relationship is here. But beware of your fears, beware of your inhibitions. Yes, it's good to be cautious, but being overly cautious can make you lose your bus, you know, miss your bus or lose your chance, lose that opportunity. What is meant for you will always come back. But, you know, the regret that, oh, I wish I could have jumped onto the bus when it was there is terrible. You know, that regret is not good. You've got the King of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Wow. Very powerful cards. Very, very powerful cards. And card at the bottom of the deck is the Temperance card, number 14 here again. Sagittarius energies. But with the King of Pentacles, I see that the person who you're attracting is going to be financially, mentally, emotionally, physically compatible with you. The Ace of Wands over here tells you that you've been looking in the wrong direction. Sometimes we look too far for something that we want when it's right next to us. With the Knight of Swords, I see that you guys are moving towards your dreams, your ambitions, and there is nothing that is going to stop you. Knight of Swords is your energy, air energies. Now let's see some oracle messages. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. These are additional messages, okay? They could come out in the form of a yes and no, a timeline related answer, or general guidance. You are ready. Of course you are. This is amazing. Ready for something beautiful to enter your life. Done. You're done with the trying times. You're just done now. Enough. Warrior woman, have you answered your deepest calling? That is for you to answer, your deepest calling. What is your gut trying to tell you? And you can only hear the voice when you are silent, and you can only be silent during meditation. So try that. Confidence is your key to success. The answers you need are coming. Gemini energies, Leo energies. A personal issue reaches resolution. Justice is served. Cancer energies. Work through your fears. Scorpio energies. Prosperity lies ahead. Taurus energies. A fiery climax is on its way, guys. Aquarius. Let's see an affirmation for you. When I live and act from a place of spiritual alignment, I can trust that everything is working out for me, even if I don't know when or how it will happen. That's your affirmation. Aquarius, this was all for you. Thank you so much for giving the Pixie Goddess Tarot a chance to serve you. Do visit my channel again, and if you like this reading, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.